Hello everyone. Let's understand how to add and subtract fractions. Let's first deal with the like denominators. Like denominators means that the denominators are exactly the same value. Look at the first example. The denominators are 4 and 4 in both the fractions, so we are just going to keep the denominator 4 in the answer as well. And then we are just going to add or subtract numerator whatever we need to do. So 3 plus 3 is 6. My answer is 6 over 4. Now I can simplify this by dividing both numerator and denominator by the common factor. In this case it is 2. So I'm going to divide 6 divided by 2. That's 3, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. This is an improper fraction because denominator is smaller than numerator. I'm going to convert it into mix, which will be 1 over 2. Now to understand how to simplify and convert the fractions from improper to mix and mix to improper, please watch my another video on conversion, to which the link will be attached below. Let's look at the next one. 7 and 7 are the denominators, so I'm going to keep the denominator same, which is 7. And then 5 plus 6 is 11. In this case as well, it is an improper fraction as numerator is greater than denominator. I'm going to convert it into mix. So this is going to be 4 over 7. Now if you want, you can try this one by yourself and pause the video. Alright, now let's do this. 25 and 25 denominator is same, so I'm gonna have 25 in my answer as well as a denominator. 16 plus 12 is 28. Now this is an improper fraction, and if I have to convert it into mix, it will be 3 over 25. So I hope you get this correct. Let's look at the difference now. Difference or subtraction, exactly the same steps. 15 and 15, LCM would be 15. Subtract numerators, 14 minus 13 is 1. Now this is already in the simplified form. This is my final answer. Let's look at the next one. 9 and 9. Answer will also have denominator 9. 6 minus 5 is 1. Now please try the next by yourself and check. Okay, so the same thing. 100 and 100, so the denominator is 100. Subtract numerators, 95 minus 36, and that will be 59. It is already in the simplified form as they only have one common factor, that is 1. So I'm going to leave it as is. Now let's add and subtract fractions with unlike denominators. Unlike denominator means the denominators are different values. So if the denominators are different value, like in this case, we need to make the denominators same in order to add or subtract them. So for doing that, step number 1, I need to figure out LCM of denominator. LCM means least common multiple. So my denominators are 2 and 3. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and so on. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and so on. I can see there are some common multiples, 6 and 6, 12 and 12, 18 and 18, and the least or the smallest common multiple is 6. So that means LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Now I need to convert my denominators to LCM value. How do I do that? My given fraction is 1 over 2. I need to make this as a denominator of 6. To do that, I need to multiply 2 by 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Whatever I do with denominator, I have to do the same with numerator. So 1 times 3 would be 3. I'm going to do the same with the second given fraction. 2 over 3. I have to convert the denominators to 6. To do that, I need to multiply 3 by 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Whatever I do with denominator, I have to do the same with numerator. 2 times 2 is 4. Now I converted my given fractions to 3 over 6 and 4 over 6. So now I'm dealing with like denominators. I'm gonna just keep the denominator same, which is 6. Simply add numerators. So my answer is 7 over 6. Now this is an improper fraction. You can convert it into mix and it will be 1 over 6. So 1 over 2 plus 2 over 3 is 1 over 6. Now if you want, you can pause the video and do this by yourself. Instead of addition, it is just subtraction. Okay, so I'm going to do the same steps. I'm going to figure out the LCM of 3 and 8. So let's figure out the multiples of 3, even though we did in this question. So let's write again 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and so on. For 8, it's going to be 8, 16, 24, 32, and so on. And I realize 24 and 24 is the least common multiple. So LCM of 3 and 8 is 24. I'm going to do exactly the same steps that I followed in addition. It's just that in the end, instead of adding them, I'm going to subtract them. So now I'm going to convert 2 over 3, which is a given fraction, to the denominator of LCM, which is 24. So 3 times 8 is 24. Whatever I did with the denominator, I have to do the same with numerator. 2 times 8 is 16. For the next one as well, 3 over 8, I have to convert it to the denominator 24. So 8 times 3 is 24. I have to do the same with numerator. 3 times 3 is 9. Now I can write my given fraction as 16 over 24 minus 9 over 24, which is 7 over 24. And 7 over 24 is a proper fraction, so my answer is 7 over 24. I hope this brings in the clarity on the concept of adding and subtracting like and unlike denominators. Thank you for watching, and if you want to watch more such videos, please subscribe to my channel, Key to Math.